Hey powder porn fans, it's Leanna. I have something different to show off today that may look somewhat familiar to those who have followed my work for a while. Basically, the idea for the first set came out of my head. Lovely Stephen Haas, he just told me, oh, just go ahead and do whatever you want. So I came up with a pretty wild idea, mixing old school and new school and turning his Weiands into something different. Guys and his kid fell in love with it and wanted the same duplicated on theirs. So let me zoom back here a little bit. Here they are. Another set of big block Weiands for a Mopar. But the difference on these is that the ribs end on the short ends. They don't come all the way down to the gasket rail like Stevens did. So they're technically same kind of colors, but not exactly the same. I'm just an artist and I would prefer to never duplicate my previous custom work ever. Even if just one color is different, it's okay with me. So in this case, since the castings are different, I'll let it slide. No true justice, even out in the sun. Looking at this color reminds me of seeing Lake Tahoe for the first time. Just kind of dances and changes no matter where you put your head. And then we got that Weiand texture in there. These are technically 6 colors. 5 colors and a clear coat to protect the bronze and silver from oxidation. What that means is you never have to polish them in the future. Just a little bit of car wash soap and they're ready to last another few years. You got a dream of your own? Get in touch. No two are alike. Love my job and love y'all. Wouldn't be here without you. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, just like they say in all those videos. I think they've almost got, well, a little over 200 subscribers, so always welcome new ones and new fans and new friends. All the customers eventually turn into them, so that's what I like. Love y'all. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.